Now we're shaking out the headrest. For the gaming and body chair. I really felt after a while that I wanted to test this out, see how it feels like. I think it will be really good. The chair is good on its own, especially while you're actually gaming. But sometimes when you take breaks, that's when you really want the headrest and you want to just sit back and watch maybe a video or just rest during the game. Let's say you're dead and there's some waiting time, then you don't want to sit on your toes ready to press buttons, then you just want to relax for a few seconds, and that's when I feel like you need a headrest. Hopefully the Atlas headrest is good. We will see. So we'll open it. Hold your head up, Atlas headrest. So then there's a pretty woman, gaming woman. The new colors. Let's open this up and see how it looks like. So basically it's two plastic bags with two pieces that you later on put together, and I assume that there are some screws somewhere or something, but we'll see. We'll open this up. And no, I didn't receive the cyan one. I ordered the black one. This is just blue tape. This is how this part looks like. Guess this is the one holding the headrest up. And then we have the other part, this part, where you can see the fancy backside that looks just like the chair. Here. And there's a few screws and some other stuff to protect the chair. So this looks like this. It feels and looks very similar to the chair. Looks nice. Let's try it on. Yeah, and here are the screws. Two screws and also something to help putting the screws there. And this is some protection for the chair to protect it from scratches from the headrest, since you're attaching it to the chair and it's not from the original creators of the chair. And then, yeah, here's the manual. Looks pretty easy. We're gonna assemble this now, the Atlas headrest to the gaming and body chair. It's only two parts and two screws and some protection film. The protection film you put on the back side of the chair here. So you peel it off like this. Just some plastic. Then you're supposed to put it over here. To protect the chair from scratches. So this will not be visible because the headrest is gonna sit on top of this. So even if you get, like I did here, a little bit of an air bubble, it's not gonna be visible. It's gonna be on the back side. So you don't need to apply this perfectly. It's gonna be fine anyways. Put these two big parts together. I have seen in YouTube videos that this is the best way. This is not the way the instruction says. But when you're one person and you are putting this together, this is supposed to be the best way, because then the headrest itself can hold itself up during the assemble to the chair, whereas if you do the other way around, then it won't work. So this wasn't the easiest. Can you use this? Yes, you can. Awesome. Here we go. I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna reattach this one because it didn't go all the way in. Just like she said. There we go, finished. This is how it looks like now. And after that, you have to remove the small part here, or from, because otherwise you can't get it to stick to the chair. So you have to remove these two screws. And remove the whole part. Screw here. And then the second screw. Here we go. So this is the part that you remove. The screw can still be there. So now it looks like this. I'll put this on the chair. You see on the back side here. I have to pull this out a little bit. It's supposed to be attached like this. So it's like hanging here, and then on the other side you put the other part back so it gets stuck to the chair, and then you won't see the tape. So don't worry about this plastic tape, because you're not gonna see it later on anyways. And the reason you assembled this part before instead of following the instructions is because then you can do this. So you won't have to hold the headrest while you're using the screws and putting this part back on. So then we turn it around and we're gonna reattach this thing. And I think it's supposed to be like this. Yes, it looks very correct. So I just turn this around a couple of times until it feels good. And then we get the other screw here. And it's supposed to be over here. I think it's easier to use the long part. And same here, you screw until you feel like it's stuck. I think this is good enough. Put this equally as hard. There, looks good. So this is how it looks like now. It's fully assembled, I think. And now you can adjust the headrest however you like. I'm not sure how I want to have it, but and this is like, you can pull it back like this. And this knob here, you can see, is to tighten so it doesn't go back as easy, because if you have this loosened up like it is from when you buy it, then the headrest will just fall back. So you have to tighten it to get it wherever you want it to be. So you tighten it, and then you have to adjust the headrest itself to the appropriate height. I think you do that best when you sit in the chair. So this feels nice. I think I will have to put it on a little bit harder on the knob. Other than that, I think it's fine. Guess I have a heavy head or something. So, perfect, I think. I think I will have to try this out in different ways, but it feels nice. So, thank you for watching. The chair feels really nice now. I feel like it's a complete chair now. Earlier I felt like something was missing, and I think this was what I missed. The headrest. The headrest is really good to have, as I've said before. Whenever you're gaming, you don't sit and focus all the time. Sometimes, let's say you play a shooter or something, you die, and you're sitting there waiting to play. Then it's so nice to be able to just relax for a few seconds, and just having this headrest, being able to relax your head and just sit there, relax for a few seconds. It helps so much on your focus when you're playing. And I guess if you're using this for other tasks, like you're working from home or something, then I feel the same way. Sometimes you just want to relax a little bit. And also if you want to watch movies, you loosen up the chair, you can go all the way back and actually sit like this and really enjoy the movie. Not like before, because when you did this, when you didn't have a headrest, it wasn't actually that nice to do for a longer period, to go full back like this. It was just nice to do it for a few seconds, because you had to hold your head up, or that's how I felt. So now it feels 100% complete. Now it's the perfect chair for me. It's so good.